Hello, Dr. Rushery and Austin Family Dentistry. My name is Eddy with Lionnet Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is, well, they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it all by yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And how their bots work, they actually prefer you have 1,500 words and keywords implemented in there. So what you could do is you can actually also save pictures as keywords. If I save image as, you can actually put keywords in images. But if I take a look at your guys' word count, I use a free tool called SEO Quake. I can go into page info and take a look at your guys' words. You guys have about 743 words. Now, if I take a look at one of your guys' top competitors, do the same exact thing, go into SEO Quake, hit page info, actually take a look, and they have about 2,300 words. Now, I'm not saying you guys need to put in about 3,000 words, no. But with Google and how they work in their bots, they would actually prefer that you guys have about 1,500 words in order to be optimized and start ranking a little better with Google. Now, the second thing I want to go over is citations. So, it's the next visible section, and it's second most important thing I want to talk about. And we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results, we can see the business name, address, and phone number, aka maps. So a good example is when I look up Dentist Austin, Texas, I scroll down and you can see this map pack or the maps. And basically what they are is, like I said, business name, address, and phone number. But a little more about it is maps are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. How do we get these citations, you may be asking? Well, we actually look at an application called WhiteSparks. You can actually take a look at not only your website and what they have, but we can also take a look at your competition and see that they have about 10 citations, whereas you guys have about 5 citations. Now, they aren't showing up in Google or the map pack because they don't have enough citations to actually be up here. You actually would want about 200 to 300 in order to beat out your competition by a landslide. Now, the last thing I want to talk about, and the most important thing I want to talk about, is another important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. You can see when we search up, again, Dentist Austin, Texas, your site isn't the #1 site that we can see. It's actually Delta Dental. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have a relative site linking back to you. For example, if you have Delta Dental linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than Pizza Hut linking to you because, hey, you don't sink pizzas for a living. So we can actually take a look at an application called Ahrefs, and we can actually take a look at not only your website, but also your competition's website. You guys have about 36 referring domains, which is giving you about 117 backlinks. That's not bad, but your competition has about 133 referring domains, which is giving them 579 backlinks, which is bringing them to the top of the page. So we can actually go in and go after every single one of these backlinks or link juice and put them on your website, but also go after other top competing websites and grab all their top referring domains and put them on your website. So once again, I want to go over the 3 aspects. Content, your front page for Google should at least have 1,500 words. Citations, you would want to have about 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. And then link juice. You want to have more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And I bet you're wondering, well, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddy with Lionnet Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great one.